Hello, welcome to Super Woodburning Pyrography course. My name is Belle Perez de Tagle. I'm here to guide you through this course and teach you the skills needed to create beautiful art with wood burning. I've been an educator in various areas of the fine arts for more than 3 decades, teaching art, drawing and painting, and handicraft creation to hundreds of students. I have helped many individuals create beautiful works which they were able to sell and be proud of. By learning along with my lectures and video demonstrations, you open a new opportunity for yourself to develop an important creative skill, a hobby, or even a niche as a means to generate additional income. If you want to learn how to correctly use the wood burning tool and its various burning points to develop the technique in creating a high-quality wood burn product, then this course is for you. Join me in developing the skill that will give you the confidence to create great wood-burned items through practice and completion of assigned projects within this wood-burning pyrography course. Wood burning is easy. It is one of the best and the easiest ways to become creative. Let me show you how.